Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Another very easy exercise that you need to find the harf of nasib. You already know the harf of jar. Now we're going to find the harf of nasib. What are the harf of nasib? Inna, anna, kanna, bianna, leita, lakinna, la alla. Those are the ones. Okay. So we'll start. The first one says anna lahum ajran. Anna lahum ajran. Anna is harf of jar. Sorry, not harf of jar, harf of nasib. Okay, harf of nasib. Inna anna, that anna. But lahum, it looks like a mudaf, it looks like a jar majrur, right? So where is the nasib here? Ajran is the nasib. So anna make the nasib ajran. Anna harf made the ism ajran. So what is the ism of anna is ism anna is ajran. Okay. So jar majrur, the ism has to be next to each other. That we learn. But also we learn in the harf of nasib, it doesn't have to be next to each other. That's why anna is there. Then there is one word in between, lahum, jar majrur, and the ajran is come. Okay, so it doesn't have to be close by. Even it can have a long distance relationship. Okay, the harf of nasib can have a long distance relationship. So, okay, second one, innahum fityatun. Innahum fityatun. Inna and whom. Inna is harf of nasib and whom can be nasib or jar. In here, it is since it is coming after inna, it has to be nasib. That's the idea. Okay. Next one is innaha alayhim. Innaha, inna and ha. Yes, inna is harf of nasib and ha is nasib or jar. Here we have to assume it is nasib because it is coming after inna. The inna ilayna, number four, inna ilayna iyabahum. Inna is there. Ilayna is not nasib. Ilayna is not nasib. So what is the nasib? Iyabahum. Iyaba is nasib. It's not iyabu, it's not iyabi, it is iyaba. So inna made iyaba nasib. Okay? That also long term relationship. Fala allaka bakhiun nafsaka. Okay? Fala allaka, la allaka. Inna anna kana bianna later lakina lalla. This is that lalla. So lalla make what nasib? Lalla make the ka nasib. Okay? Lalla make ka nasib. La'allaka ka. Ka is can be nasib or jar. Here it can be nasib. And next one is number six. Lan nadu. Inna, anna, kana, bianna, later, lakina, la, la. There is no len. So this is not a harf of nasib fragment. Next one is inna shaniyaka. Well known surah. Inna shaniyaka. Inna made shaniya is nasib. Ka you have to remove. Ka is attached pronoun. So shaniya become nasib because of inna. And next one is summa inna alayna isabahum. Summa, okay, nothing to do with here. Inna is there. Alayna is mudaf jar majrur. So where is the nasib of inna? Is hisab isabahum. Isaba is nasib of isaba is the ism of inna. Number nine. In yakuluna illa kadiban. So we learned inna anna kana biyana. We didn't learn in. So this is in. So this is not a nasib of, harf of nasib. Then lahu waliyan. There is no nasib of harf here. Uh, Wasaddaka. There is no harf of nasib here. Number 12. Unlan yakdira. An inna anna. Okay. An is not a harf of nasib. Inna anna. Inna anna. Kana biyana laita lakina la. Okay. Number 13. Inna ja'alna. Inna. So inna is a interesting one. Inna is two words. Actually, inna and na. Okay, inna and na. That become inna. So inna made the na nasib because na is nahunu, right? We. So na can be nasib or jar because it is coming after inna. It become nasib. Okay. So inna na. Inna na become inna. The meaning is inna means indeed. Na means us. Inna means indeed us. Next one, innal insana. Wallah surah. Innal insana. So inna made the insana nasib. Okay, it is not insanu, it is not insani, it is insana because of inna. Number 15, man bakhila, man bakhila. Man is not a nasib of harf of nasib, so this is not a harf of nasib fragment. Number 16, narun musadatun. Narun musadatun. There is no harf of nasib fragment, so there is no harf of nasib here as well. And number 17, anna ashabal kaufi. Inna anna. See anna ashab. Because of anna ashabu, not anna asabu, not asabi, it become asaba. It become nasib. So this is harf of nasib fragment. Anna malahu. Anna malahu. Remove the hu. Then mala is balanced. Anna mean harf of nasib, and ma it's not malu, it's not mali, it is mala because of harf of nasib. Okay, so it is a harf of nasib fragment. The 19 one before last, inna hada. Inna is a harf of nasib, and hada can be rafa, nasib, jar, any of these, because it's a non-flexible word. But since it's coming after inna, it is definitely a nasib now. It is nasib. When we are learning, we said non-flexible, it can be rafa, nasib, jar. But when you see it is after inna, that means it is definitely a nasib. Next one, inna mal usri usra. Inna mal usri usra. So here inna is there. Ma'al usri is what? Ma'al usri is jar majroor. Uh, jar majroor because of the special mudaf. Okay. No, not jar majroor. Mudaf mudaf ilayh. Because of ma is special mudaf. So ma'al usri is mudaf mudaf ilayh. So inna does not have any impact on ma'al usri. It has impact on yusran. Yusran. So long term relationship. Inna can have long term relationship. So inna made the nasib yusran. So that's the idea. Very easy exercise. Uh, Again, practice few times, you will understand this. And when you do the Quranic example, you will understand more. And when you do the Quran, we will do with the meaning, inshallah. Subhanallah wa bihamdi, subhanakallah wa bihamdika, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.